The new COVID variant Omicron has triggered a massive scare around the world as well as in India. Centre and states are on alert in view of this highly transmissible variant. Centre has issued guidelines for international travellers from affected nations and made screening mandatory at all airports. Negative RT-PCR test before departure is a must now, and second RT-PCR test on arrival in India has also been made mandatory. After arrival, passengers would have to quarantine for 7 more days, after which they would be tested again. Sample testing would be done for travellers coming from countries excluded from the flagged countries. In all the cases, if any of the travellers test positive, genome sequencing would be conducted to ensure COVID variant. Centre has also decided to renew its flight resumption decision. Centre has also asked states to enforce intensive containment, surveillance as well. States have been asked to be on alert and prepare an action plan in case of contingencies. Expressing concern, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray is going to be speaking to the Prime Minister regarding international flights.
कोरोना की विकट परिस्थिति में भी देश ने 100 करोड़ से अधिक डोजेज कोरोना वैक्सीन और अब हम 150 करोड़ की तरफ तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। नए वेरिएंट की खबरें भी हमें और सतर्क करती हैं और सजग करती हैं। मैं संसद के सभी साथियों को भी சத்தர்க் रहने के लिए प्रार्थना करता हूं.
இந்த ஓமிக்ரான் அதாவது உலகத்துல வந்து தென்னாப்பிரிக்கால 1-2 பேரை பாதிச்சிருச்சுன்னு தெரிஞ்ச உடனே அடுத்து இமிடியேட்டா போய் நம்ம இன்டர்நேஷனல் ஏர்போர்ட்ல பாதுகாப்பு விதிகளை வந்து பலப்படுத்தி இருக்கோம். வர்ற பயணிகளை வந்து கண்காணிக்க சொல்லி இருக்கிறோம்.
If we find that someone is positive from the places of these vulnerable places, we'll ensure that they will be taken into hospitals and they will be treated accordingly. And similarly, in the last 15 days, those people who have traveled from Africa and other countries, we are trying to track their primary and secondary contacts, and we are testing all of those people.
At this moment, answers to these questions are difficult to say. It's too early days for this. The surveillance is on, as has always been. So if it arrives in India, of course we'll come to know. And of course the hotspot has been South Africa. Their situation is a bit concerning. I would not say alarming. It's concerning because it has accumulated a large number of mutations. So that's what actually is puzzling from the science perspective, that how did it accumulate so many mutations at once?
That the number of mutations which are seen in this particular variant are far too many. In the spike region, that's the region of the virus which sticks onto human cells and then enters into body. There are more than 30 mutations. Within a week or 10 days in Pretoria and surrounding area, this virus completely overtook the Delta virus, which was previously the dominant virus.
A passenger who returned from South Africa to Dombivli in Thane district of Maharashtra recently has tested positive for coronavirus. It is not confirmed whether the patient was carrying the Omicron variant of coronavirus, which was identified as the variant of concern by the WHO. His samples are going to be sent for genome sequencing to confirm whether or not he is Omicron positive. A list of 466 people who arrived in Mumbai between 12th and 26th of November are on the radar now. These people arrived from Omicron-affected nations. Out of the 466 travellers found, 97 were from Mumbai. BMC has contacted all the 97 so far via the phone as well as with physical visits by the staff. The World Health Organization has made a fresh clarification on Omicron variant. The top health body has said that it is not clear if Omicron variant is more transmissible or causes more severe diseases compared to the other diseases of the other variants of COVID. The WHO stated that currently there is no information available to suggest that the symptoms of Omicron are different from other variants of COVID. It further said that it may take days or several weeks, for that matter, to analyze the symptoms of Omicron. Preliminary information further suggests that Omicron variant may have increased risk of reinfection and that the current RT-PCR test perhaps may help detect Omicron. On Friday, the WHO classified it as a variant of concern. It has urged countries to enhance surveillance against the variant. However, further studies are currently underway to determine if available vaccines are still effective against Omicron.